Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the competition. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.